Hey, I'm Dr. T, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put in a tampon. Now, this is obviously a video for those who have vaginas, but if you're interested in learning about it, feel free to watch. First things first, when to use a tampon? The answer? Whenever you're ready. A tampon can be used whether or not you've had sex. It can be used on your first period or on your 100th period. Or you don't have to use them at all. But if you're interested in trying, there's no reason not to. Second, safety. A tampon should not be left in for longer than 8 hours. But you can certainly take it out sooner than 8 hours. The other good thing about tampons is that they come in a variety of absorbencies. And so if you have a heavier period, you can go for some of the heavier super, is what they're often called, absorbency tampons. And then on lighter days, you can go with a regular or a light tampon. So keep that in mind as well. Now, moving on to the pieces. I have my diagram here, which is a toilet paper roll that's been cushioned so that it has kind of a softer inside like the vagina. And I have my tampon here. So a few basic things about tampons. So this is the tampon itself. It is a thick piece of absorbent material that is attached to a string so that you can pull it out whenever you're ready. And then many tampons come with an applicator, which is basically an apparatus that helps to put the tampon into the vagina. All right, now let's talk technique. When placing a tampon, it's best to have your body in an angled or a seated position. So whether on the toilet, or you can put one leg up on the toilet while you're standing, but just to have an angle for you to be able to insert the tampon. When you are placing the tampon, it should be angled back toward your lower spine. Now, an applicator itself should have little grooves or a place for you to put your fingers. The way I usually recommend doing this is putting your thumb and your middle finger on the applicator like that. And that allows your index finger to push. Now when you're in your seated position, grabbing the tampon like so, and then inserting again at an angle toward your lower back. Insert up until the point where your fingers are flush with your skin. So that's about as far as you want to go. And then push. And when you pull out, the strings will still be there. Oh. Now when you pull out, the strings will still be there. When you're ready, pull out. And that's the tampon. It's pretty easy, pretty great. I usually recommend wearing a panty liner or something that protects your underwear when you're using a tampon, just in case the tampon fills up and it starts to leak out of the sides of the vagina. But that's it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me, and I will look forward to giving more demonstrations. Specifically, I'll do a menstrual cup demonstration in the future. Thanks for watching.